Hello, guys, and welcome again to my YouTube channel. You know the name is Gele, doing it the kiddie way, train with Kitty. And you see this lovely unconventional style. I'm teaching you on how to tie it. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, relax, and enjoy. Let's go there. Alright, guys, we'll be tying a simple conventional gele style. Simple style first should be. I'll be using a length 75. Yeah. This is a very simple style, so just watch and please subscribe. Now we'll be sharing it into 50-50, putting it into two, 50-50 equal half. Now what we'll do, we're not going to be taking 10 out of 150, and your two ends open is 5, so taking 10 out of one of the 50 so that it becomes 70-40. Then we pick from the other side. So after we pick our pleat neatly, you pick your pleat very neat. Yeah, you pick your pleat neatly. Then you place on the when you place on the head, one ear close, one ear open. So you see, then you dress properly. You dress it properly. Yeah. Please, whenever you're tying, always dress the gele properly. Very important. Very important. Then you give your model to hold. You dress this other side very well. So you give her to hold. Now you come to the back. You open it properly. The short one will be up while the long one down. Then you arrange it properly. After arranging it, give her to hold also. Now we are working with the long one. The long one will be the one covering it today. So we pleat. Now whenever you are pleating a V, always take note of the numbers you pleated on the other side. So that's the same number you pleat this way for it to be equal. Now you arrange. Keep arranging. Keep arranging your V. Now you see one ear close. Now this is the one you're using to close the other ear. You arrange properly. Now you can see we already have a V shape. So what we'll start doing is to arrange to start getting our fan. And please, if you have not watched our full fan video, you can go back. Now breaking, it will be too big. Now I'll arrange again so that when I break, it will come out very nice. It will come out very nice. Like I told you, fan, it has its own technique. So we'll break once. Then when you're breaking, you break once. You break it once. So you break once, you push your hand once. Then you're cutting one breaking. Then you arrange again. Always arrange before you make your fan. Then you break your fan again. Then you arrange, you break, you arrange it again. Yeah. Then you see we are having our fan already. Then we just break. We'll break. We'll break. Then we break. Now you arrange it properly. You arrange it very well. Arrange it very well. Now you can see we have our fan one side with a V. We have our fan. So what you do now, you give her to hold. We'll give her to hold it so we can arrange the other side. Now from this side now, just take 3 plates. 1, 2, 3. Then you raise it. Once you raise it, you give her also to hold. You give her to hold also so that you can tie. So that we can tie. Now you see, we're gonna be sharing. We share. Then you pick the one she's holding for the V. We tie. We're gonna be knotting it right now. So we're gonna be knotting it. Then you drag. Always drag carefully. Always drag carefully, and she is to be holding it very tight. So you drag carefully. So when you feel it tight enough, then you knot it the second time. You knot it the second time. After knotting it the second time, yeah, you knot it the second time. Very important. Always knot it the second time. Then you collect a pin and pin it at the back to hold. You pin one, you pin it to the back. Now you see, you pin it to the back so that it will relax. That one will help it hold better. To help it hold better. Alright, now you can see the style we are creating. We already have a fan with a knot. Now what we're gonna do, we start arranging our pleats one after the other on the other side, which you can see I'm already doing. Start folding it one after the other, one after the other. Start arranging it one after the other, one after the other. So that's how we'll continue arranging it till we get to the end. You see, then we dress it properly. After dressing it, yeah, we dress it properly, very, very well. So you can see now the way it is. You can see the way it is. It's a very, very nice tie, which you can to tie for bride, and you can also tie it for the ashobis. Imagine someone rocking this gele. Very, very neat. Then we join it together with the fan. We join it together with the fan. Then we pin. Join it together, then you pin. So please, sorry guys. Normally I made this video talking, but the sound was bad, so I had to do a voiceover for it. Okay, which you arrange. Now you can see it's a very easy and nice style. So you come backward, you arrange the pleat also. Arrange the pleats neatly. Arrange the pleats very, very neat. Arrange the pleats very, very, very neat. Start arranging it so you can pin for it to be tight. Now pin it for it to be very, very tight. So guys, please, if you have not subscribed, please do so now, and also help share whenever I make a video. I was expecting you to try this out. Very easy. So that point of the V, we'll be pinning that point down so that for it to relax, because the hole is showing. So after pinning down for it to relax, now you can see that's the point to pin. Yes, so there's a very, very, very nice tie for you to try out. Alright, thanks for supporting, and please keep sharing and subscribe. And there are also other videos available on my previous posts, like the full fan gele, the full bridal round, and all lots more. Please, you can go back and watch. It's train with gele. So let's do the gele way. Let's do it. Okay guys, thank you. See you in my next episode. God bless you.